previous video we learned about the simple structure of Ethernet header and what is the Ethernet frame and what the Ethernet frame consists and what are the parameters that only captured by the Wireshark and what are the parameters that are not captured by the Wireshark. All these concepts are discussed in the previous video, and we have also analyzed what is the destination address, source address and type. So in this video we are going in a detailed way about each parameter. So you can see by clicking on this the entire Ethernet frame is selected and the highlighted one is called as the entire Ethernet frame, and this is called as a Ethernet header. By clicking on this the Ethernet header is highlighted, and we also discussed about the destination MAC address in the previous video and source MAC address and the type. So in a detailed way we discuss about the destination MAC address. So just expand this. So in this video we are going to learn about the MAC address in a detailed way. By clicking on the address, the highlighted one is called as a MAC address, as the MAC address is of 6 byte 48 bit. So the MAC address is made into half of the sections, that the first 3 bytes are considered as organizational unique identity address and the next 3 bytes are considered as individual address. So when I am trying to click on this least significant bit, that is of LG bit, by clicking this, if the value of this IG bit is 0, then it is considered as individual address. If the value is 1, then it is considered as a group address, and it is of globally unique address, that is a very unique address that is manufactured during the manufacture process. So that is given by the factory default. And the next is individual address. This when the value of same is about 0, then it is considered as unicast. When the value of this is of 1, then it is considered as a multicast address. So by this we can identify whether the MAC address is unicast or multicast address. At the same time the source address is also gives the same details of LG bit and IG bit. The LG bit and IG bit are nothing but these zeros and values. When these values are changed, the MAC address is also specified in a different way, whether it is an individual address or group address, whether it is a multicast address or unicast address. So this is the type as we discussed, and let us discuss about the internet control message protocol. As the internet control message protocol are ICMP packets that are generated when the ping command is given. As when ping command is given, the ICMP packets are captured by the Wireshark, and the captured ICMP packet contains the information about the packet, so that is being captured by the Wireshark. So here by clicking on this and by expanding this we are able to see the information related to the ICMP packet. So you can see here is the information I got from the ICMP packet by using a Wireshark network packet analyzer. So here is the type. So you can see as I selected the packet which is the type of reply, that is echo is of reply, and which is comes under the ping command. So code is of 0 and checksum, as the checksum you can see 0x5509, as it is showing that correct, and the checksum status is good. That by this checksum we can verify that whether the packet transfer from source to destination is intact or not. So here you can see the identifier value and the identifier values of 0x0001 and 0x0100. These are the two identifier values, and it is also same as a checksum, but it identifies whether the packet from the source to end destination is same or not, and how many changes are done in between that. So here is the sequence number, and here you can see the request frame by clicking on this. So here I can see the response time from source to destination, that is about 2.787 milliseconds, and here is the data bytes, and you can see here is the data I captured by using the Wireshark packet analyzer, and the length of the packet is also displayed, that is of 32 bytes. These are the details that are captured by the Wireshark network analyzer tool. So here the video ends about the